Happy weekend, everyone! Good morning! And I'm preparing a very simple breakfast today. And I'm using sausages. Dun, 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 artisan sausages from Tindeli. This dish is called shakshuka. I'm sure you've heard of it. Ang dami nang gumagawa ng videos ng shakshuka. But I'm just doing something we can easily prepare for breakfast at home. And I will just fry my sausages. Hot enough? Yeah, I will just saute my sausages. Yan. These are smoked, no? Very nice. Beautifully smoked sausages. And it's like a one-pot dish. On the side, I will just add some minced onions and sliced garlic. You can add bell peppers if you want. Pero ito lang siya. Diced canned tomatoes, pepper, pinch of sugar, just to balance. And what I do, I just put the sausages to the side, add my diced tomatoes, spread evenly, let it simmer. I also add a bit of dried herbs. I have dried basil here, or whatever you have, or whatever you want. You can make it Middle Eastern, you can make it Italian, you can make it Pinoy if you want. Be sure your sausages are cooked, di ba? Ganyan. And I have a loaf of sourdough bread from Tindeli. And the key is to reheat it. Babasahin natin siya ng water, no, to crisp it up. And I have a preheated oven just behind me. And I'll just put my sourdough bread to heat up. Yan. And to finish, our very simple sausage shakshuka. All we have to do is crack our eggs, the pan, let it cook. You can add grated cheese, feta, melting cheese, whatever melting cheese you have. You can add parmesan. The list goes on what you can do with this recipe. Sobrang dali. Yan. Let that simmer. And season with a bit of salt. Dapat may seasoning yung ating eggs. Look at that. And you can cook the egg the way you want it. Gusto mong malasado, gusto mong well done. It's really up to you. It's so simple to do in less than 10 minutes. We have a very heavy breakfast, which you will surely enjoy. Come on, join me. Let us taste. Yan, no? It's perfect. And the egg is so runny. And what you do, mix everything together. You know, tomato sauce. And you have your sausage. Very nice. So try this recipe. So easy to do. Ating breakfast, ating sausage shakshuka. Simpol!